I spent the last 2 weeks testing both Abacus AI and Perplexity side by side, and the results might surprise you. If you're trying to decide between these two AI platforms, stick around because I'm about to break down everything you need to know based on real hands on experience. While constantly testing new AI tools, two platforms that keep coming up in conversations are Abacus AI and Perplexity. While they might seem similar on the surface, they're actually designed for completely different purposes. Today, I'm sharing my honest experience with both platforms after putting them through their paces. We'll start with Abacus AI, then dive into Perplexity, and finally I'll give you my verdict on which one you should choose based on your specific needs. What is Abacus AI? Abacus AI is an enterprise-focused AI platform that's designed to help businesses build, deploy, and manage AI applications at scale. Think of it as a comprehensive AI development environment rather than just a chatbot or search tool. Let me be honest, getting started with Abacus AI isn't as straightforward as signing up for most AI tools. It's clearly built for technical teams and data scientists. The onboarding process involves understanding your data infrastructure, which can be intimidating if you're not from a technical background. There are core features that stands out. AI application development. This is where Abacus AI really shines. I was able to build custom AI applications using their drag and drop interface. The platform supports various AI use cases, including predictive analytics, natural language processing, and computer vision. What impressed me the most was how I could train models on my own data without writing complex code. Data integration capabilities. Abacus AI excels at connecting to various data sources. During testing, you can connect it to databases, CSV files, and even real-time data streams. The platform automatically handles data pre-processing, which will save you 4 hours of manual work. This is definitely not something you'll find in simpler AI tools. Pre-built AI solutions. The platform offers ready-made solutions for common business problems like fraud detection, demand forecasting, and customer churn prediction, while testing the demand forecasting feature with sample e-commerce data, and the results were surprisingly accurate after just a few hours of training. Model training and deployment. What sets Abacus AI apart is its ability to train custom models. When experimenting with training and sentiment analysis model on customer reviews, and the platform handles everything from data cleaning to model optimization automatically. The deployment process was seamless. You only had a working API endpoint within minutes. Collaboration features for teams. Abacus AI offers robust collaboration tools. Multiple team members can work on the same project, share models, and track experiments. The version control system is particularly useful for managing different iterations of AI models. Abacus AI doesn't have a simple monthly plans like most SAS tools, pricing based on usage, data volume, and complexity of your AI applications. From my research, expect to pay at least several $100s per month for meaningful usage, making it clearly an enterprise-focused solution. It is a powerful AI development capabilities without deep coding knowledge, excellent data integration and pre-processing, robust model training and deployment features, great for building custom AI solutions, strong collaboration tools for teams, handles complex enterprise use cases effectively because that AI weaknesses. Steep learning curve for non-technical users, expensive pricing structure, overkill for simple AI tasks, limited documentation for beginners, requires understanding of data science concepts, not suitable for casual users or small businesses. What is Perplexity? Perplexity is an AI-powered search and research tool that combines the conversational abilities of ChatGPT with real-time web search app capabilities. It's designed to provide accurate, up-to-date answers with proper source citations. Setting up Perplexity was incredibly simple. I literally just visited the website, asked a question, and got an instant response. No complex onboarding, no technical setup, just pure simplicity. This is the complete opposite of my Abacus AI experience. Now, there are core features that I tested. First one would be AI-powered search. Perplexity's main strength is its search capability. Instead of giving you a list of links like Google, it provides direct answers to your questions. I tested it with various queries from current events to technical explanations, and the responses were consistently well researched and accurate. Real time information. Unlike ChatGPT, which has a knowledge cutoff, Perplexity searches the web in real time. I asked about recent news, events, stock prices, and weather updates, and it provides current information with proper citations. This is incredibly valuable for staying up to date. Source citations. Every answer comes with clickable citations showing exactly where the information came from. This transparency is crucial for fact checking and further research. I appreciated being able to verify the sources behind every claim. Conversation continuity. Perplexity maintains context throughout conversations. I could ask follow up questions, request clarifications, or dive deeper into topics without losing the thread of our discussion. This makes it more like chatting with a knowledgeable research assistant. Different search modes. The platform offers various search modes, including academic, which focuses on scholarly sources, and focus modes for specific topics like news or shopping. I found the academic mode particularly useful for research projects. Mobile app experience. The mobile app is excellent. I could ask questions on the go and get the same quality responses as the desktop version. The voice input feature worked flawlessly, making it perfect for quick queries and multitasking. Perplexity offers a generous free tier that handles most casual use cases. The Pro plan costs $20 per month and includes unlimited queries, access to advanced AI models like GPT-4, and priority support. The pricing is transparent and affordable for individuals and small businesses. Now, assessment of Perplexity strengths. Incredibly easy to use, no learning curve, provides real-time up-to-date information, excellent source citations for fact-checking, great for research and quick information gathering, affordable pricing with a useful free tier, excellent mobile app experience and perfect for students, researchers, and curious individuals. Perplexity weaknesses. Limited to search and information gathering, can build custom AI applications, no data integration capabilities, not suitable for complex business AI needs. Responses can sometimes be surface level for technical topics, no collaboration features for teams. Choose Abacus AI if you're building AI applications for business, you have technical expertise or a technical team, you need custom AI models trained on your data, you're working with complex enterprise requirements, budget isn't a primary constraint, you need advanced data integration capabilities. Choose Perplexity if you want quick, accurate answers to questions, you're conducting research or fact checking, you need real time, up to date information, you want something simple and easy to use, you're on a budget, you're a student, content creator, or knowledge worker. After testing both platforms extensively, I can confidently say there's no universal better choice. It depends entirely on what you're trying to accomplish. Perplexity excels at making information accessible and easy to find, while Abacus AI empowers you to build sophisticated AI solutions.